Hello everyone and welcome to another painting video. A couple weeks ago I took a trip down to Florida, and while it was nice to escape the bitter Wisconsin winter for a bit, I also was inspired by the beautiful scenery and the many animals down there. Once I returned home, I narrowed it down to 3 animals and sent out a poll. With that, 56 votes came in and over 60% of you voted for an alligator. So here you go. Now this painting was the definition of trust the process, as 75% of the time I spent on it, it looked like absolute dookie. Now I don't want to be someone who yaps in your ear the whole time, so relax and enjoy. At this point I couldn't figure out what was wrong with this gator, and then it hit me. To take this gator from looking like Eustace from Courage the Cowardly Dog, I needed to add in them teeth, because like mama says, alligators are ornery because they got all of them teeth and no toothbrush. From here, I work on fine-tuning the details and wrapping it up. If you enjoyed this painting, I will be posting a full-length video in a couple of days, so keep an eye out for that. And as always, thank you and have a nice day.